Hi, this is Trisha from blogherway.com, and today I have a tutorial for you on how to set up a local server and start working with WordPress for free. So you have two options. You can purchase hosting right away, or you can set up a local server on your personal computer. With the second option, you can't actually go live with your website. You actually have to purchase hosting if you want your website to go live. But what this option does is it allows you to get familiar with WordPress. It allows you to go through this setup phase before actually committing to a host before paying any money. So the first step in this process is you're going to install the MAMP software, which includes MySQL and PHP, which are necessary in order to run WordPress. So go ahead and go to mamp.info. Once you're on the website, you're going to go ahead and click on the free version for download. It will take you to the download page, and then whether you're Mac versus Windows, go ahead and click download. And then you'll be guided through the installation process in order to download it on your computer. So the next step will be starting the MAMP application. So for this tutorial, I have a Mac, so it's going to show kind of screenshots from a Mac perspective. So go to Applications, and you're going to launch the MAMP software. And then when MAMP opens, a dialog box appears. You're going to go ahead and click on Start Servers. In the right corner, you will see the Apache server and MySQL server light up green, indicating that they're both good to go. Automatically, a window will open up and bring you to the MAMP dashboard. So the next step, you're going to create a new database. So in the MAMP menu, click on Tools, and then you're going to go to PHP My Admin. A new browser window will open. You're going to click on Database along the top navigation menu. Under Create Database, type in the database name, and then under collation drop down, you're going to choose UTF-8 underscore Unicode underscore CI. So for this example, I assigned the database name as WP and chose the appropriate code, and then click Create. After clicking Create, the new database will show up in the list. So the next step will be installing WordPress. So go to WordPress.com and click Download WordPress. This will take you to the download page. Go ahead and click on Download the latest version. Once it has been downloaded onto your computer, open two file windows. One file window will be with the WordPress file, and then the other one will be with the application MAMP. And then within that application, you want to look at the htdocs folder. And you're going to go ahead and drag the WordPress file into that htdocs folder. Once WordPress has been placed into the htdocs folder, find the file name wp-config-sample.php, and then go ahead and right click on that file. You're going to go ahead and click Open With and choose a text editor. For Mac, Text Edit is the editor that comes inherent, so you can use that one. In this PHP file, a few items need to be changed. So we need to define the database name, the username, and password. Within the single quotation marks, change the following. So for database name, in this case, we named it WP. And then for username and password, you're going to change them both to root. Root is a default value for these fields, so go ahead and change those. Once these items have been changed, you'll need to save the document, and then you'll also need to rename the document as wp-config and get rid of the sample. Otherwise, it will not run appropriately. Now that you have MAMP turned on, go to your browser bar and change it from MAMP and type in WordPress. With WordPress installed, upon first opening it, it will take you through a quick setup process where you will choose the language and go ahead and click continue. And then it will bring you to the dashboard. So what's next in this process, after setting up this local server, is you'll want to get familiar with the WordPress dashboard and choosing your general settings. And you can definitely check out blogherway.com for that tutorial. I share WordPress tutorials and blogging tips, so give it a look.